Threads, a new app created by the Instagram team, is introduced as a platform for sharing text updates and engaging in public conversations. Mark Zuckerberg announced its launch with features such as customizable profiles, safety controls, and support for various media formats. Threads is aimed to redefine text-based communication. The probable competition between Twitter and Threads is going to revolve around delivering compelling content, distinct features, and cultivating a sense of community. Both platforms recognize the importance of real-time updates, with Twitter's focus on breaking news and Threads emphasizing timely connections. Let us have a bird's-eye view of the strengths of both social media platforms.
Facebook and Instagram's parent company Meta is launching a new app that could rival Twitter. The Threads app will launch on Thursday. It will allow Instagram users to write posts while keeping their accounts and followers.
Users can log into Threads using their Instagram accounts, follow friends and creators who share their interests. Threads allows posts of up to 500 characters with links, photos, and videos up to 5 minutes long, and offers tools for controlling conversations and filtering out unwanted content. It aims to become compatible with the ActivityPub protocol, enabling interoperability with other apps and fostering diverse and interconnected networks. Twitter and Threads are going to engage in a fierce competition in future to capture users' attention and maximize users' time spent on their respective platforms. Twitter excels at offering short-form, fast-paced content, encompassing a broad range of topics such as news, entertainment, and sports. On the other hand, Threads focuses on fostering more personal connections through longer-form content, enabling users to delve deeper into their thoughts and share narratives that resonate with a more niche audience.
This is perfect timing for Meta because other social networks had actually been benefiting from Twitter's turmoil in recent days and in recent weeks and months.
Twitter capitalizes on popular features like retweeting, quoting tweets, and incorporating polls, enhancing user engagement and facilitating broader social interactions. In contrast, Threads distinguishes itself by emphasizing more intimate communication, enabling users to engage in direct messages and create group chats, promoting private and focused conversations. Twitter boasts an extensive user base of over 400 million active users, contributing to an impressive average of 500 million daily tweets.
It took 16, 17 years for Twitter to get to the scale that it has today, which is, in the order of 250, million active users. Threads is not going to be doing that over a compressed time frame. Nonetheless, Facebook and Meta have a far better oiled advertising machine than Twitter had.
Recognizing the importance of facilitating content sharing, Twitter recently introduced Fleets, a feature that enables users to share personal and ephemeral content with their followers, proving to be a popular addition to the platform. While Threads is focusing on fostering more personal communication and allows users to share longer-form content. Despite being a new platform, Threads users are eager to share their content, as reflected in the statistics. On average, Threads users are posting a remarkable 8 times per day, indicating a preference for longer-form content sharing compared to Twitter's average of 3.3 tweets per day, according to a study by Statista.
All that Meta has to do is convert only 1 out of every 10 of its users across Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp to eclipse what Twitter was ever able to achieve. Think about the billions of monthly active and daily active users that Facebook has on its platform.
According to a study by Social Bakers, Twitter users engage with each other an average of 6.2 times per day, underscoring the platform's exceptional level of social engagement. Twitter and Threads will compete in future to become primary destinations for news and journalism. With a rich history in news consumption, Twitter has established collaborations with prominent entities like the New York Times, the Washington Post, and the Guardian. The platform offers features such as the Breaking News label and the Moments section, facilitating the easy discovery and sharing of news content. Twitter's reputation as a reliable source is reflected in Pew Research Center's finding that 52% of Twitter users rely on the platform for news consumption. Threads is making strides in the news and journalism space by forging partnerships with respected organizations like The Atlantic, The Verge, and Vox. These collaborations grant users exclusive content and behind-the-scenes insights. Threads features a dedicated news tab and a trending section to streamline news discovery and foster engagement with current events.
The biggest piece of news to me was Mark Zuckerberg's comment on Threads that what we need is a platform with 1 billion people on it.
Twitter is renowned for its robust social engagement features like likes, comments, retweets, and replies, allowing for seamless user interactions and participation in discussions. While Threads is making strides with options like the likes feature and the ability to leave comments. In future, both Twitter and Threads will also compete to offer users real-time updates and keep them informed about the latest events and trending topics. According to a recent study by Statista, Twitter holds the crown as the most popular social media platform for following breaking news, with a staggering 72% of users indicating its use for this purpose. Its prominence was evident when it became the primary source of news during significant events like the Boston Marathon bombing in 2013, being the first platform to report the incident. Threads also recognizes the importance of providing real-time updates as it allows users to share their thoughts and experiences in the moment. Twitter, being the pioneer of hashtags, remains the leading platform for their use. Hashtags have proven to be an effective means of finding and engaging in discussions on particular topics, while also increasing the visibility of users' own content. With 72% of Twitter users actively employing hashtags, they have become a prominent feature that facilitates the exploration of diverse interests and amplifies engagement. Threads also allows users to follow hashtags, enabling them to effortlessly join conversations and stay informed on subjects of their interest. Moreover, Threads incorporates trending topics tailored to users' geographical areas, making it convenient to discover and engage in discussions surrounding popular subjects. According to statistics from Statista, 63% of Twitter users follow trending topics, indicating the widespread interest and engagement generated by these features. The influencer and creator ecosystem serves as a competitive arena for Twitter and Threads, as both platforms strive to attract and engage influential individuals and content creators. Twitter has a well-established history of collaborating with influencers. Their creator dashboard enables creators to track analytics, manage content, and connect with brands. Additionally, Twitter's Super Follows feature empowers creators to monetize their content by providing exclusive paid subscriptions to their followers, thereby creating a direct revenue stream. According to MediaKicks, the average influencer on Twitter earns a monthly income of approximately $2,800, highlighting the potential for significant financial rewards on the platform. Threads, although a newer platform, has established a creator fund that offers financial support to creators, further incentivizing their involvement and contribution. Statista's study highlights Twitter as the preferred social media platform for discovering new features and innovations, with 63% of users acknowledging their exploration of fresh functionalities on the platform. Twitter remains at the forefront of innovation, introducing features like fleets, ephemeral tweets that vanish after 24 hours, moments, curated collections of tweets centered on specific topics, and super follows, which enables users to monetize their content by offering exclusive access to their followers. One of most important challenge for both platforms is to implement effective content moderation policies and safety measures to tackle issues such as harassment, hate speech, and misinformation. According to a recent study by the Pew Research Center, 62% of Twitter users believe that the platform is doing a good job of addressing harassment. Examples of their initiatives include Twitter's hateful conduct policy, harassment policy, and misinformation policy, along with safety features like user blocking and content filtering.
They have been doing some more content moderation. I think, Elon has taken a more laissez-faire, approach to content moderation, and Meta has said that it wants to be more advertiser-friendly.
Threads, though a newer platform, is also taking steps to address similar issues. It has a team of human moderators who review content for violations and offers safety features like blocking and reporting users. Twitter and Threads will engage in a competition for advertising revenue, vying to attract advertisers to their platforms and providing effective advertising solutions that reach their respective user bases. Twitter, as a major player in the advertising space, generates billions of dollars in advertising revenue annually. According to a study by eMarketer, Twitter is projected to generate $5.7 billion in advertising revenue in 2023, highlighting its prominence in the advertising landscape.
I agree with you. Twitter has not been a great ad experience. And maybe if Meta can innovate here, and they haven't done much innovation here, right? This really is a Twitter clone. I mean, it's a lot of copying and pasting from Twitter. Maybe the innovation that Meta can bring to this space is in advertising.
Threads also holds significant potential to establish itself in the advertising arena due to its substantial and engaged user base. While still in the early stages of monetizing its advertising products, Threads offers personalized and engaging advertising options that differentiate them from traditional Twitter ads. Ultimately, the ability of Twitter and Threads to foster seamless social interactions and vibrant conversations will be instrumental in determining their respective triumphs. It will be intriguing to witness which platform emerges as the leader in cultivating social engagement among users in the long run. Hit like and share if you enjoyed this video, and do not forget to subscribe our channel.